Tomorrow is the Daytona 500, and a major storyline developing at the Great American Race is NASCAR's suspension of driver Kurt Busch over a domestic violence allegation. Michelle Miller is in Daytona tonight with the latest.
Kurt Busch was behind closed doors all day, working on his appeal. NASCAR's suspension came 4 days after a Delaware family court judge issued a protective order preventing Busch from having any contact with his former girlfriend, Patricia Driscoll. NASCAR Executive Vice President Steve O'Donnell.
Actions of abuse will not be tolerated in the industry, and want to make it clear that, any inference that there's a culture or a tolerance for this type of behavior is patently false.
The Washington-based defense contractor filed for a protection of abuse order against Busch after a fight last September at the Dover International Speedway. She alleges Busch grabbed her neck and face and slammed her head into the wall of his motorhome. Today, her lawyer issued this statement to CBS News. NASCAR took an important step forward in suspending Mr. Busch and deserves to be commended on addressing the issue of domestic violence. Busch has denied assaulting Driscoll, and at a court hearing last month, the driver, in an apparent attempt to show she's not weak, testified she was a trained assassin whose profession took her on missions around the world. Today, his attorney Rusty Hardin said Busch will fight to get back behind the wheel. We are reappealing immediately per the prescribed process. We have significant and strong evidence that contradicts the commissioner's conclusions. In the end, we are confident that Kurt will be vindicated and he will be back racing. While the criminal investigation is complete, prosecutors have yet to charge the 25-time Sprint Cup winner. But he has lost his chief sponsor, Chevrolet, and his spot on his racing team. Come tomorrow, another driver will take his position at the Daytona 500. Michelle Miller, CBS News, Daytona Beach, Florida.